Hello everyone. I'm Toshiro Suzuki, President of Suzuki Motor Corporation. Thank you for joining us for the world premiere of the S-Cross. Supported by a long history of development, Suzuki SUVs enjoy worldwide popularity. Developed with our expertise and experience in SUVs, the all-new S-Cross is a well-balanced mix of bold SUV styling and comfort. The all-new S-Cross will be produced at Magyar Suzuki in Hungary, which is one of our main factories. Sales will begin in Europe at the end of this year and expand to Latin America, Oceania, and Asia. Now, let's take a look at the all-new S-Cross.
Hello, I'm Shigeru Aoyama, Chief Engineer for the all-new S-Cross.
Bold, sophisticated, versatile. The all-new S-Cross is an SUV that delivers on these three concepts, all at a very high level. Bold is the styling concept. From any angle, the design immediately communicates the dignified form of a rugged SUV. The front features a large, piano black grille and sharp headlamps to create a powerful impression. The side view features squared wheel arch mouldings that express an inner toughness. As with the front face, the rear lamps and bumper are raised high off the ground to create a sense of dynamism. The interior has a three-dimensional shape that suits the character of a powerful SUV. The center console houses a large, multifunctional 9-inch HD display audio system. Sophisticated refers to our control technology. For the four-wheel drive system, which is a cornerstone of Suzuki DNA, we have adopted All Grip Select. A dial allows users to easily select a driving mode. As for the engine, the 48-volt SHVS mild hybrid system is standard equipment in Europe and in some other markets. In addition to driving support functions, the all-new S-Cross also boasts enhanced parking support functions, such as a 360 view camera and rear cross traffic alert. Finally, there is versatile, which refers to the convenient and comfortable interior. The all-new S-Cross offers comfort for 5 adults and 430 litres of flexible luggage space that can be used in a variety of ways. The all-new S-Cross is an SUV that offers comfort and convenience for the driver as well as all the passengers. We are working toward the introduction of strong hybrid models and connected functions in the latter half of next year. With the all-new S-Cross, we have achieved the optimal balance of bold styling, sophisticated technology and versatile functions, so you can enjoy new experiences with your family and loved ones that exceed what you've done before.
Thank you for joining us today.